So it's that time of year again where I like to give back to the community. Well, watch the video and you might want to check them out. Hi everybody, welcome back to the Canadian Maker Project. My name is Ron. I am also a maker. I do 3D printing, talk about 3D printing, all that fun jazz about 3D printing. This year I figured I should give back to the 3D printing community. This is just a video of my top 5 makers, and I commend all you guys out there that if you are into 3D making, printing, designing, this may be a video you should do. Pass on the love to other makers that you might find interesting and enjoy. Who knows? Maybe I'm on that list. Maybe I'm not. But anyways, these are my top 5 people I follow for, the fun of 3D printing. So I'm just going to minimize myself here, and we'll bring up each person on their own. So the first one I have here is a guy who calls himself Astro Printer. He runs a YouTube channel. Mostly he deals with just dealing with like makeouts, but he's also had on people like myself. He's also had on, let's see here, Tim Hooglin. And every Wednesday night he does a net, where everybody just comes on in and can come in and talk about 3D printing. A lot of my other friends have been on his channel too. So if you're interested in that type of conversation and you're interested in learning more about 3D printing and just hearing interviews and such, he also has an interview with Bill Gow, the head of Bill Gow of JM Maker. Yeah, I can speak today. JG Maker. So, if that's something that you kind of are interested in, I would definitely say his channel's worth subscribing to. Check him out. It's always worth a try. Next one on my list happens to be a new person that I've never met before. I just recently found him out. Emerald Sky Media. He usually focuses more on, mostly focuses on like stargazing, that type of stuff, but he's recently got into some 3D printing, as you can see at the top. And lately he's been doing a blog a day. So if you're interested in concepts about, stargazing, or you're even interested in, 3D printing, you might want to check out his channel. He's been doing a lot of cool stuff right now. And especially with what's happening soon for us as stargazers and astronomers alike, there is the where Jupiter and Saturn are going to merge together. Not in real life. Like when you're looking at them, they're going to look like they merge, but they're millions of miles away from each other. So nothing to worry about that part. But this happens every 4,000 years. That these two planets will align. Is amazing to look at, and you might find it very interesting. Also, check out his channel. He has a lot of ideas for 3D printing. He also talks about printing equipment for stargazing, that type of stuff. And I found his videos to be entertaining and interesting. Anyways, let's get on to the next person I'm going to talk about. Is the guys over at TH3D. Timothy Hogan, aka TH3D. They've been covering a lot of stuff that's been going on in the 3D community, especially with the news of certain things that have been happening right now with Thingiverse. But he also puts out videos about other printers that he has tested. He has the Ask Tim now, where you can ask questions and he will answer them for you. His videos are really good, really informative. If you're looking for know what they're up to, if you're looking for, say, parts for your 3D printer, these are the guys to go to. I bought many parts from them, and I've been very happy with their products. And Tim's just a good guy. Trust me. You might hear a lot of people go, da, 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 da. Give him your, go watch his videos. Give him a shot. If you like his content, definitely subscribe to him also. Now, the next two are kind of my top guys I always watch. So, and they're friends of the channel also. So we have my good old friend BV3D, otherwise known as Brian Vines. Brian Vines is one hell of a character. He's known for his dad jokes, that's for sure. But he's a great guy all around and has fun, and it's all about, 3D printing. He's done some electrical stuff. He does Tinkercad tutorials, how-to videos. Great channel if you're looking for something that covers 3D printing. He's still a big channel. He's at 14.7, but it took him forever to get to hit that one. So, but his videos are great. I've watched a lot of his videos, and his videos have been very entertaining and informative. So if you're looking for a great guy to follow, and you're just like looking for, um, they're not that long tutorials. They're about maybe some of them are 12 minutes, some of them are 7 minutes, some of them can be all the way up to 30 minutes long. But if you're looking for to learn how to do stuff, if you're learning for like what is it, how is this printer, first impressions type stuff, these are channel you want to go check out also. And yeah, BV3D. I have friends of the channel. So we come to the number one. Now, number one should be no surprise to anybody, but he's been a big help to the channel, a good friend of the channel, the one, the only, Chris Riley of Chris's Basement. Yes, that's right. We're talking about Chris's Basement. Chris Riley is one of those guys that if I got a question, I got a problem with a printer, and I have my friend Daniel, who Daniel can't answer it, Chris Riley can. And honestly, his videos are informative, great content all around. I don't know how to say this, but anytime I need something, I need to ask something, I go to Chris Riley first. After I've talked to Jacob, of course. But Chris Riley is just one hell of a smart guy. I mean, you ask questions, he has your answer for you. I always go and watch his videos over again if I'm running into like problem like, oh, how did I do this G code? Like, how do I find something in my G code that's wrong? Watch Chris's Basement. He has a video about it. I need to look up doing something like, for slicer information. He has that information on here too. Chris's Basement is probably one of the best YouTube channels out there I can think of into the world of 3D printing. And also, Chris Riley is a friendly guy. I mean, hell, he loves benchies. And how can you not love a person that loves benchies? I ask you. But honestly, no. Check out Chris's Basement. You'll be happy you did. I know some of the information, like myself, I find it goes over my head just a little bit. But after I watch it once, watch it again, watch it a third time, certain things just click. And honestly, if you're looking for that one channel that's going to inform, entice you to learn about 3D printing, Chris's Basement, I would definitely recommend. Now, that's not saying much about our channel. We do a lot of 3D printing talks and that type of stuff. But if you're looking for some hardcore stuff, check out Chris Riley. You'll be happy you did. Now, why am I promoting these channels then of my own? Well, it's the time of the year. It's about giving to the community. And I feel that if I can give you 5 people that you might like, then you might tell those 5 people, hey, I saw your video on this channel. They might do the same thing too. Maybe, maybe not. But it's the art of giving. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day. We'll catch you on the next one.